Mail time. Hey guys, I bought some mail today. Got some mail today. So I bought 2 of these. So really cool. I want to get the big game, but I got this one first. Alright, so it's Street Fighter. It's this game. Sorry, I lost where the camera was. Exceed fighting system. And are you kidding me? Nope. Ugh, come here. Switch. Ah, there we go. By the way, that's not my hair, and it's not a halo. Alright, so it's by Level 99 Games, Capcom, and Jaceco. So it teaches you how to play. It looks pretty interesting. It's somewhat difficult, but hey, we'll learn. So, like I said, I bought 2 of them. I brought the scissors just in case, but I didn't see this part. I just thought it was sealed all the way. I'm just used to that guy that just tapes everything up. You know, that booster box that I got. Oh, they had a peel thing too. I didn't even see that until I got down into it. So it looks like there's supposed to be 2 decks in here. Alright, so this is a cool little... Dang it, I keep forgetting the camera's over here. There's a little actions and rule card. Hold on. Okay. So it's a Kin and Ryu deck. I'm assuming this is the Kin deck, and this is the Ryu deck. A lot of cards for Ryu. I don't know. Oh, yeah. Because it broke it up. Okay. Dang it. I did it again. Alright, so we got ourselves Kin. Oh, and then you got flip side. That's pretty cool. And that comes in play for the game. So there's... Oh, and then here's the back. So, it looks pretty cool, doesn't it? Hadouken! Hadouken! Axe kick. Knee bash. Gurren Senpukenaka. I think I probably said that wrong, but who knows? Shin-Yuriken. Block. That guy's pretty cool. Focus. So they had a whole kit for this. Sweep. Sweep the leg. Spike. That's pretty cool. Dive. Can't see that far away without my glasses. That's pretty neat. I like that punch card. Nice. Grasp. He looks like he's grasping nothing. And here's a little thing about him. So it tells you how to play his card. So that's cool. And then on the back, it tells you like when to play or how many's in each in the whole deck. That's pretty cool. And it comes with this little rules card for each side, each deck. I feel like this one has more cards. Oh, okay, hold on. Never mind. These come in play later. Alright, so here's Ryu's. So there's a Ryu. So these cards, let me show you. I read a little bit online. Alright, so you put these cards down in a line, and then you have each character start right there, and then third from the back for the other character, and you have them play, and there's this flip, and then once I don't remember how to do it, but once you get to a certain point, you flip it, and that's how you do your action card. So Shuriken Tatsumuki Senpayaka. I think that's how you said that. Hadouken. Hadouken. 1-inch punch. The original One Punch Man. Just kidding. Donkey kick. That's pretty funny. Alright. Oh yeah, I like his Metsu. Yeah. Hadouken. Metsu Shuriken. That is awesome. Look at that. It kind of reminds me of Naruto. There's another block. Here's his focus. Is it the same? I don't remember. There's another sweep. There's Spike, which looks the same. Dive with that masked dude with the... I don't know if you saw that earlier, but that's a pretty cool card. Hadouken! Alright, and then there's his. Alright. So I'm going to give you an up-close look at action card, ready? Okay. Alright, so I'm going to give you an up-close look at the board. This is pretty much the board. It's the same on both sides. Like I said, you just lay them down like this. And just lay them out. And third from each side. So 1, 2, 3. And then 1, 2, 3. Which is 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 and 7. That's where you start. And it's kind of like the Digimon TCG, where you get, I think, if I remember right, the range is where you move to play the card. So this one's a range 1, there's a range 3, there's 3 to 5. So you just move your card, and you both can't be on the same spot, so you have to jump over him, the opponent, I mean. So this looks like a fun game. I bought 2 of them, so that way I kind of can just keep this one wrapped up, just because. But I saw, so I have this website that I can go on to for work, where I can find a vendor and say, hey, we carry your product, can you send me samples? One of my stores want it. Or, hey, I haven't tried this yet, can I have a sample? So I could tell my stores what it's like. And so I found Exceed on that website, because sometimes I get a little bored and just like, hey, you know what, I'm gonna go look around. And I found some pretty cool board games and stuff, and Exceed was one of them. So I went to their website and I bought those too, because they were only $1.99. By the way, if you guys want to play this, want those decks, want those cards, you should go to exceed.com, or I mean level99.com, or is it level99games.com, or hold on, let me find it. Yeah, level99games.com, and you'll find Exceed on there, and you can buy the Street Fighter deck for $1.99, and they sent me a digital download and said, hey, while you wait, you can play with our digital download. And so I'm like, oh, awesome. So I didn't do it because it was like I worked the whole time while I was waiting. So it took only like 2 days to get it. So I was just like, meh, no biggie. Nah, I take that back. I think it took like, I think I ordered it Saturday. So, and today's Friday, so it took almost a week. But like I said, I was kind of busy with work and stuff, so I didn't really download the game and play it because I didn't get to use my computer at all this week. But I'm definitely glad they sent this so I can learn how to play the game, and then that way when I have a little more money, I could buy the actual game itself and ship it. So the bad part was that they did charge shipping for both items instead of shipping for the whole thing. So that was kind of a letdown, but that's just because, I mean, you're sending them together. Why are you gonna pay? Why do I have to pay shipping together? Because they came in the same package. So it's not Wish where it's two different companies. I don't know. I may have misread it, but I'm pretty sure I paid shipping for both decks, or all 4 decks. But it looks like a fun game. Looks like it has some cool add-ons. And it doesn't look like it's a, what was it? And, oh, these are just to learn decks. I think the decks are supposed to be much bigger. I think you're supposed to be like 60 cards in a deck, and that's not very many, so. But, alright guys, I'm going to get off here, and I'm going to go take some pictures of these cards, so, even though I just put them back in the bag. Why'd I do that? Weird. Bye.